Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Merging two HTML header rows with colspans can be achieved using Python, specifically with the help of libraries like beautifulsoup and pandas. This approach allows you to work with the HTML structure programmatically and manipulate it in a Pythonic way. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process step by step with code examples. Note: make sure you have the beautifulsoup and pandas libraries installed. You can install them using pip if you haven't already. First, you need to fetch the HTML table that you want to manipulate. You can obtain the HTML content from a URL, a local file, or any other source. For this example, we'll assume you have the HTML content in a string. Now, we'll merge the two header rows using the colspan attribute. You can now print the modified HTML or save it to a file, depending on your requirements. Here's the complete code for merging two HTML header rows with colspans. This code will merge the two header rows with colspans in a Pythonic way using beautifulsoup, making it easy to work with HTML structures in your Python applications. ChatGPT.